Hi everyone, I'm Cami and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try and recreate this sexy, barely there, strappy camisole top. I saw it on Instagram recently and I've seen a few YouTube videos now that's tried to recreate this top, and I thought why not have a go at try creating it myself. So the top has a strappy side seam detail and wraps around to the back. I kind of want to alter the front of the top by including an almost fake cowl neck. I mean, I don't know where anyone would actually wear this kind of top to, but I completely like the open back detail and the straps look kind of cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and make this pattern. I have this really lovely silk camisole fabric that I thought would work perfectly for this sort of top. So you can see the front side of the fabric has a nice kind of shimmer and sheen, and then on the reverse side it's slightly duller, and that's how you can tell the front from the back. So I'm going to try and cut out my pattern pieces onto this fabric. So after cutting everything out, I had 2 bodices, 2 short straps and 6 long straps. So for this top, I really wanted to create long straps because I like the tie effects that they'll give. I just folded the straps at this point in half with right sides together. To finish the straps, I basically sewed along the whole length of the strap, and when I got to the end, I pivoted the needle and sewed the end shut. Now we just have to do this process for the rest of the straps.
One eternity later.
So now we've got the 6 straps and the 2 short straps all finished in the same way. And now with my trusty loop turner, I'm going to painfully turn them all right side out. This can take a lot of time and it's very fiddly, so take your patience when trying to turn these inside out, as you can accidentally rip the straps, and if that happens, just cut out a new strap piece and sew it again. So with all the straps ironed, I'm now going to place all the straps onto the bodice fabric with the right sides facing. I just kind of made rough estimates about where I want to place each strap, and this is totally up to you. I ended up adjusting each placement if I felt they were not right. Ultimately, you could definitely base these straps on, but who has time for that? So a little pin will do. When you're doing this, make sure the unfinished end of the strap is actually what you're pinning to the bodice. So now I'm grabbing the other bodice fabric and placing this right side face down, keeping the straps in the same position. I basically remove the pins where we just placed and pinned all these 3 pieces together. This can be a little fiddly, so just have fun, it does not have to be perfect. I then pin the rest of the side down, leaving the whole bottom hem of the top unpinned. So this is how the top is looking from the right side. As you can see, it's nearly there. To make the strap detail, I measured 3 inches from the side seam and then attached the short strap to the long strap with a simple stitch and cut off any excess. This is how both of the strap details turned out. All there's left to do now is hem the bottom by double folding and stitching across. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, like this video and subscribe for more content.